That's the best bread you have made
Yeah?
since the last best bread you made.
Alright. Hello everybody, this is Myung. Hope you're all well. Today I'm going to share with you how I make sourdough bread. Sourdough bread is the oldest form of fermentation and is one of the healthiest and the most delicious way to enjoy bread. Using sourdough culture produces lactic acid bacteria and gives numerous health benefits. The fermentation makes easy to absorb iron, zinc and calcium. The sourdough bread is easier to digest because the complex carbohydrates are broken down into more digestible simple sugars and protein is broken into amino acid. It helps people who have blood sugar issues. Sourdough bread becomes very popular over the last few years. I know why, because it is delicious and healthy. So why not make your own sourdough bread with me? In terms of baking, I'm not much more than the beginner myself. Nevertheless, I will show you how I make sourdough bread with rye flour. Okay, let's crack on. I've started this new batch of starter, but I use already made starter. So if you are making from scratch, it will take a week. I use already made starter, so it doesn't take that long. So every day just feeding until I need it. We eat every day, so same to starter or cultures. They need to be fed. Yeah, that's what I'm doing at the moment. I will use 50 grams of dark rye flour. Okay, so 50 grams. I'm going to add 50 grams water, but if I need, I will add more. Rye flour is thirsty, I think. Now I will mix it. It's quite thick, so I will add a little bit more water. You can smell this pungent, this rye flour. You need more water. Okay, put this cloth back, and I will leave this in my airing cupboard because it is the warmest place at the moment. Okay, then see you tomorrow. You can see there's a lot of bubbles comes out. It's going well. So I will add another 50 grams. Adding some water. This is pungent smell. Tomorrow I can start to making the sourdough bread. Shouldn't be too thick or too watery. I'm going to put this one back in airing cupboard. See, you can see lots of bubbles in there, so it is ready to use for making sourdough bread or pancake. So I'm going to make a sourdough bread today. First thing you need to do is sourdough starter ready. When you stir it, it's a bit gluey like that. That's good. I normally use a lot of the sourdough starter. Some expert mentioned about 60 grams of this, but I usually use about 200 grams. Yeah, it is 200 grams now. For the next batch, you have to feed them. So what I usually do is about 2 tablespoons flour. This is a rye flour, and then add equal amount of water. So this is done. This is about 200 grams. Okay, now I'm adding water about 300 grams. Start with slightly less than 300 grams, and then if I need, I will add more. Just Little bit left. Then mix well. Now I'm adding 400 gram flour. So I'm going to mix with this light rye flour. So wheat germ and brown. When it's mixed, they are really nice. So if you don't have rye flour, you can use whatever you have. Yeah, your favorite flour you can use. Rye flour is quite difficult to handle it because it is really stick in your hands and everywhere, so it is quite hard to handle it. So I used to using the proof basket, but this tend to stick in there, difficult to handle it. So I don't use proofing basket when I use rye flour. I found just put it in the baking tin, easier and not much messy and tastes good as well. So I decided to show you this way because it's easier, especially for the beginner, much easier. 300 gram flour. Yep, 300. 100 gram wheat germ and brown flour. So now mix all together. Rye flour absorbs more water, so see, definitely need more water. So I will add 100 gram more, and at the same time I will add 10 gram sea salt. Once it's all well mixed, that's it. I usually to leave it like this for 24 hours, so tomorrow I will bake it. It seems like all flour is well moist. It's a rye flour. This is a rye flour. It's sticking there. It's difficult to get rid of. That's why I don't use proofing basket. So that's it. I don't need the extra kneading. Okay, see you tomorrow. Sourdough is fermented for 24 hours. It's a bit bigger, and when you squash it, it is, it's not coming out. So it is, I think it's well fermented. That's it. That's well done. So don't push too hard. Smell a bit sour. So make it evenly on top. Preheat the oven earlier, so it's ready. So now it's done, so I will bake it now. So this is 45 minutes, and I will check it. Oh, the thing was, I didn't score it, so it is split itself. Seems like it is all well done. I will do another 5 minutes to make a crust on top. Okay, another 5 minutes. Okay, it's done. See, it cracked. So this is all done. So I'm going to cool it down. At the moment the smell is lovely. This is a bit cracked here because I didn't score it. If you don't score it, it's split. When it's in the oven, it happens cracked like this. So don't forget score it if you want to make a nice shape, but I don't mind at the moment. Taste is more important, and nutrition from sourdough bread is important as well. It's easy to digest and absorb into our body more than normal bread with yeast. Okie dokie. See you in a minute. This bread has cooled down now. So we are going to test it.
Smells lovely.
It's a sourdough bread. Ooh.
Quite holy.
some holes in it and a bit squash inside, but outside is quite firm. This is a homemade tahini.
Ooh,
So
very nice.
white tahini. So try with the white tahini.
Thank you.
Bread smells lovely.
That's lovely. You don't need anything else.
You don't need anything else.
Could you see that forever? Excellent. That tahini is superb as well. And that bread is super. You can really taste the the tanginess
Tanginess.
of the sourdough. Really nice.
This is coconut oil.
Really good. That bread really suits both of them.
Both are different, but both nice.
The texture's nice because the inside's got like a springy texture.
Yeah, like that. Because
And the
of
outside's a bit crunchy. Really nice.
this fermentation make this lots of holes in it.
Ooh.
Would you like some more?
Just cut this up, yeah. That would definitely be a competition winner, that.
Yeah. So do you like sourness in the sourdough
Very
bread?
much, yeah.
Very much. Yeah, I like it. Sometimes it's very sour, but it is the right amount, and it is 24 hours fermented one. So I think that's the right amount of time.
A thumbs up for that one.
Thumbs up. Oh, you say that first, huh? Before I say.
Yeah.
Great.
That's the best bread you have made
Yeah.
since the last best bread you made.
All right. Great. Hope you enjoy my recipe because in terms of baking, I'm much more like a beginner. So, but I made it, so you can do it as well. So please make your own sourdough bread. And thanks for watching. And be healthy and happy. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thanks again and see you next time. Bye.